Welcome to Perio Health Professionals. It's really exciting for us today to share with you our core mission and values. We have been practicing periodontics and advanced implant dentistry since 1979, with Dr. McGuire as our mentor and myself coming to the team over 20 years ago to provide the very best care that we can in Houston, Texas. We're fortunate to treat our patients with golden gloves, to be thinking always about them first and taking care of them, their needs, and especially their fear.
I'm Michael McGuire. In 1979, I founded Perio Health Professionals with a vision of having a practice that will provide the very best care to our patients in a warm and nurturing environment. Today, we are world-renowned in the innovation of periodontal regeneration, oral plastic surgery, and implant dentistry.
Here at Perio Health Professionals, we treat patients just like our own family. One of our basic tenets is treat other people like you want to be treated, and the rest just works out.
From my first implant to this one, I've never felt pain.
Extremely competent, extremely meticulous. So I would recommend you to anybody, and like I say, it's my privilege to be your patient.
Having known Dr. McGuire and Shire for over a decade, I know that they provide world-class education, research, and service. I was honored to be selected as their third partner and part of their team.
We never hurt our patients. We provide all levels of anesthesia, and we take care of that anesthesia ahead of time, whether it's local anesthetic, nitrous oxide, oral sedation, or advanced sedation with nurse anesthetists and dental anesthesiologists. It's critically important that we honor those patients that have fears and phobias of having work done in our office.
We also have a learning center. Dentists come here from all over the world to learn new techniques, to learn how to work together for the betterment of our patients. You know, I'm really proud of all of that, but I'm also even more humbled by the confidence that our patients entrust in us every day.
If it weren't for that, I may have lost my teeth by now.
There is no reason to be afraid. It's painless.
How exciting is that? To be leading the field on artificial intelligence and what we can do to help our patients become more healthy, keep their teeth, or when they can't keep their teeth, replace them with predictable restorations to last a lifetime. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you here at Perio Health Professionals.